So guys, hello, and let's start with a new math note. And here first I had some customized toolbar, so as you can see, you can reset here and you can add them just by sliding them here and changing the position to the top. So it was not so obvious for me at the beginning, that's why I show it. So actually it's notes, but you can do math with. And something else, what you can also define by default on the settings of iOS, you can say this, always start with this, or you can select it like I show it here. And so we will go now for a mathematical example, an application for traveling rings, the sport I train regularly. And so for this we will take, for example, let's take the gold line. We will add the ruler and we will take this as the 90 degrees. Let's place it here as a ruler, and we will start with the dimension of Santa Monica Original Muscle Beach, the big rig, and I know them by heart. And so let's start here with the yellow, and when I'm sliding down you see, and I will explain you also after why I choose this. But so from the knowledge, the rings, the chain and the rings are actually 3.20 meters long. So 320 centimeters. So I have one time like that. Now for the spacing, I will take the color blue, and I go here on the upper line. Why is jumping? I cannot explain it. And you see there is no magnet helping me for this to put the line correctly, so hopefully it will make it happen. And you see I didn't start neither from the correct point, so let's just erase this one and with a double tape, and here again no magnet to take the start. Now it's roughly good, and we go for 8 feet, which is 2.44 centimeters. I try to do it accurate. You will see right now why. And so now I want to calculate the minimal gap. So as you can see, I can already see here that for this dimension, so this will be the tip of the ring and not only the chain with 3.20 meters. And if this is wrong, it doesn't matter, because so first of all, you can see we have 53 degrees. So this is 37 degrees from the hanging point. I will switch back here, and I will try to take it also from the start and going to 3.20 meters. 320. Okay, so this is both lengths, and now I try to pick this up the end here and go to the end, and I see 82. Okay, so we really have to memorize this one. So I don't need the ruler anymore, and I will call well, actually, if I call this, I will just call it G for the minimal gap. So this is L, and this is also L for the length, and here is S for the spacing. Okay, guys, so as I told at the beginning, L is equal to what was equal to so we can say 126 inch. Okay, and if I do this, I put an equal, and immediately I have this in meter, and this is really great. When I tip one time on the 126, then I can change, and I have immediately this in meter, whatever what I'm doing. So then we have also S, and my pen is away, and so I want to have it white for what I write, and S is equal to well, it's actually 8 feet, and here again I have it directly in meter. The problem is that you see here I have it in meter. Why it's disappearing from the other one, I don't know. This is a good question. Next question to Apple, please, directly. And so why I will use in centimeters here, because centimeter is unit is a unit which is syntax error. Okay, and there is no reason, so don't know why. S, so this is working, and here it's the beginning of the big issue, I will say, in this whole system. So let's try to make it happen on the other side. So I will go with 3.20 m or 320 centimeters, and no result, nothing. Why? You saw just before it was working, and now it's not working anymore. So here we go with the Apple Math Note. We are already struggling and don't even start it. So you see how not reliable is this whole system. So I'll try it again. I'm persistent person. Well, I have to type correctly. This will help. So L is equal to 320 centimeter. Please give me an inch. So I type on the equal, copy expression. Great, but there's a syntax error. No explanation. And there is no error anymore. So I cannot understand why. Okay. So what we will do, we'll just erase this letter here and add them later on. And now give it a try. Holy shit, what was that? Why this just change like it's changed? There is no way. So let's try from the very beginning. So L is equal, I don't change the color anymore. Oh, that was it from me. Come on. Yeah, it's working again. Awesome. So let's stick with the colors. Back. So this is L. And now I have S, which is equal to 244 centimeters. Oh, look, I just lose. Why I lose? I think it's 5. Okay, that's fine. So I go back. Go back in and hope that, no. Oh yeah, I got it back. So I want to have L. And now I take S. Okay, it's still taking, okay, still working, which is 200 centimeters. Let's see what's happened. Why this one doesn't work. Okay, it seems correct, but it doesn't like it. It recognizes the S and make the distinction to the 5. Oh, we just lose the conversion. Why? Syntax. Okay, so now it's missing coefficient on unit. Don't know why. There is no reason for. So we'll just erase again and try it again, start again. So you see it losing a lot of time just because of stuff like that. So now we have L, and we'll take more space for taking. So let's see if this, no, is losing it. Suggest title, yeah, well, we don't care. S, yeah, this is clear. And please, yeah, this work again. And see if I can get no way. So let's see if I double tap each time. Oh, now we have it. Awesome. I don't know how long we needed to do this, but such a great achievement. I mean, come on. I could actually just divide it by 2.54 and then I just have it, you know. Make no sense at all. But okay, let's carry on. Now we have this and short introduction about how to find G. So let's go back with the explanation and let's see. So I have 2 times L, yeah, so this line is the same when we are swinging, and now we are at the closest point, so it's actually the vector toward the other one. And here I have S for the spacing and here for the gap. So I will write them in full letter. So here I have the what it doesn't want to write the way I want. So I have the length, and I have, so you see it take a lot of time. Space, well, spacing. So these both are still working, and let's carry on now for the calculation. So we know from Pythagoras that actually the hypotenuse, so the hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, because here we have, thanks to the gravity, 90 degrees. So some basics, guys. And so the hypotenuse, we know that actually we have L square plus S square equal the hypotenuse, so we have L again, plus the gap. Okay, this is not a nice one, so I do it again. Come on. So G, and this is square also. So here there is different issue. First, my writing issue. So you see, it's recognized everything. So, but my issue is more that I have to hover, and in order to switch, and still have an issue. What is your problem, mate? Okay. So now we have it. Don't know why it's in red like that, but and for L, missing coefficient or unit term. Don't know why he's bothering me. So here we have first, I would say we could actually extract G. Okay, I miss it again. So let's extract G. So G is actually equal to, I put the square on the other side, so I have the L, and I have it at the end. Also, you will see where it's coming, and I have the S, and now I put all the mathematical, so I still have L plus S square, root square of the whole, and after I have the minus L. So let's see how it's recognized. Or it's recognized that 6 is with a C, so it doesn't recognize my writing style. So let's try again. So actually here I have an L, so with a sharp angle. I hope that help you, math note. And I mean, I do it on purpose to use such letter. And here I have a G. So let's see what it's writing. I typing it, but nothing happened. Okay, so now I have the correct formula. So everything is correct. And from here, actually, I just need to put a equal. And it tell me I don't want to. Oh, no, it's 21. Oh, it just changed. I'm so sorry, bro. I just don't understand anymore what you want from me, but a few seconds earlier it was okay. And now I'm not okay anymore. So now it's my square roots, not a good issue. Missing coefficient or unit. I don't know what is missing. I have everything clear. Here is S, here is L, and here is not what you want. So what I do, I erase G, I will do it, this one better. And now let's see. Again, so a lot of reset, and still it doesn't work. Missing coefficient or unit. I mean, come on, I have everything here. So I don't get the point why it doesn't want it. So let's put it everything in. Yeah, I write like a cat. This is a French expression. And now, yeah, you cannot recognize if it's a L or S. Sorry, now it's good. And what is telling me? It's telling me that it's multiplied by t time. So you really have to write correctly all the way along. So here I have again everything correct. And still doesn't work. So it's very bothering. Really, I mean, everything is correct here. Here I have S and nothing else. L. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this child. It's a problem child. So let's say this works. No. Doesn't work. It's just upsetting, you know, really. It's make no pleasure at all. Okay, well, you don't understand this one, but let's see if you can better understand. Once double tap the pen, 320 centimeters. Perhaps now I have a result. Oh, solve. Yeah, 82. So if you well remember at the beginning here, due to graphic, we had already 82. So solving with the ruler was actually almost half an hour faster than using this math note. Yeah, so this is clearly a big waste of time. It's fun, for sure it's fun, but it's big waste of time. So let's try to make it happen again here with inches. No way. No possibility. And you can remember I had 53 degrees. So let's take red. Okay, for sure. So imagine here I'm straight. Okay, I didn't want an arrow actually. I just want to say I'm straight. Okay, thank you. And here, this angle, let's say it's theta. Okay, and so theta is actually nothing. Oh, that's nice. What is this theta? It's giving me a theta with 2.71. Okay, that's a nice move, which I don't understand. And I would like to have the expression. And he say, okay, it just write me this. Okay, I have no clue where this is coming out, but this is most probably in radian. So I will then multiply by 180 degrees and divide by P and give me 0. Nice move. Because 0 now. Now it's not E anymore, it's 0. And I changed nothing. Okay? Nothing I change. And you don't recognize it as... This is just a big loss of time. So I think it was 271, if I'm correct. Wait a second, I'm used to European way, but I said in English with point. And let's see. Okay, 271 is 100. So it makes just nothing. No clue why he put this one. But, well, actually, this angle, what you... just jumping around, jump around, hey. It's the same angle as this one, okay? So we have the same here. And I want to be independent from the gap and to have the angle of swing at the minimal gap, the minimal distance. So it's I will use a tangent, and so the opposite of the tangent is the A tangent to get an angle, and I want this angle in degrees. That's why I already have this one. So this is conversion in degrees, and so I take A tangent from the opposite. So the opposite is the spacing. So I will take S at the top, and at the bottom I will take the length. And now I should get a result of 37 degrees. So I'm making actually a degree symbol, but it's okay. I mean, it's doing what it can. So he say me, hey, do you want a 5 or S? And I'd say, yeah, I want a S, indeed. Thank you for the proposal in blue. And so that's it, actually. Pretty hard to use it. Yeah, well, it's not so fun. There is also the possibility to, okay, this is correct, but there is also the possibility only if you are using XY to get a curve. Okay, so what could be funny here, and or not funny but a little bit fun, it's to get the G, and the G, if we fix the G and we have like let's take G like 80, because you know, if we take the manpower, so here's the head, here's the body, and there is a circle. Yeah, it's very bad, sorry, come on, I do it better. There is a circle. Okay, it's getting very bad. Oh guys, no, it's better. Okay, and actually what is meaning is that there is the length here of the arms is, so the arm span is actually the same as the body height, because there is also a representation when the legs are together. Okay, sorry, it's look like an elephant now, so just put this away. But okay guys, you remember now the manpower, and so I'm in inches, I don't know, but let's it's here for this. So I'm 88 centimeter, and please give me oh nice, and now I have it in inches. But well, 74 inches doesn't help me, because Americans are speaking in feet. So how could I do this? I could make 70 centimeters again, but this time divided by 12 in order to get it in feet. So 666, so 666 is 2/3, and let's try to erase everything and to take my side in 15 like that, feet, and 2/3 inches. Okay, 10 inches. I really like it. What is rating? Oh, it's multiplied by 1. Oh, nice. It doesn't recognize that I use feet here. So let's try again. Oh yeah, 300. That's awesome. It's recognizing something. So I think I made a failure anywhere, but it's not writing centimeters. So let's have another try, like 5 feet and 3/3 inches. Oh, nice. This gives me in feet squares. Okay. And I can carry on for hours of this shit. And come on, it's really bothering me, actually. So coming back to the point, when you are told like almost 2 meters, and like here, if I do this, doesn't work anymore, not at all. It's crazy. It's really crazy. So whatsoever, how could I move forward? I would say, okay, the arm span is something about so this is the arm span I should have, but you are not really straight, so let's divide it just by 2. And okay, so it's strange that is now it's staying in centimeters. Okay, not in inches anymore. Interesting. So 49, it's quite a number. Let's just keep 1 meter. Okay, let's keep it to easy 1 meter. So if we fix G at 1 meter, okay, then we have another formula in X and Y. Okay, so this is the idea. So let me just think about it. So I have X and I need a Y. And so the X and the Y will be the S. Okay, so the spacing is the Y and the X is the value which I change, which will be the L. And that's pretty much what I think I actually aim for with this idea. So now I go on Y is, as I told you, it's the S, the spacing. So is actually X, the L, plus 1. So now I have to be careful because actually it's 100 because we are in centimeters. Okay. And so this is square minus X again, square, and so I have a square root of this wall. So now it's pretty much what I want. Actually, it's working, and now I insert a graph and I see this one. Holy crap. This, okay, recenter is pushed. It's not working. But this is interesting. So what are we seeing here actually for people who cares about traveling rings? What we are seeing here is the Y is, as I told, the spacing, and the X is the length. So when the length in X, so here we have the Y at the, in vertical, in horizontal we have the X, and so I will just write it. Okay, so the X here, it's equal S, and the Y equal the length. Okay. Yeah, I know. Come on, guys. I know. I wanted to use the white color for all mathematical calculation. So holy crap, it's jumping. Jump around. So equal. Okay. It doesn't recognize it. Yeah, it's okay. So let's focus on what we wanted to say. So we have the spacing, and we fix the gap at 1 meter. So it's quite hard. 80 centimeters will be better. Let's see how this change with the gap. So you see how it's always the same. Yeah, so this is really easy. And now I go bigger. And look, there is a point where it's actually from here I will not be able to reach it anymore because the gap is bigger than my arm span. But still, it's quite funny to see how the curves is changing according to this the gap. And I'm pretty sure that I could actually add another one. And no, I wanted to add the angle, but it doesn't work because I cannot do to change it, because the idea would be to have a tangent of y by x equal something. Yeah, you can have nothing. Yeah, because main clear. Okay, it doesn't recognize it. So I'll give it a change. So now it's working, it's recognizing it, but yeah, come on, it's clear that is not exactly an symbol whatsoever you want to do it, the expression will not work. So I have to put something here, and if I put I mean, I don't know actually, I'm just blocking after so many. Oh yeah, and I'm still in radiant and not in degrees. And interesting, I lost here. You see here I have still my degrees symbol, but I lost everything. So why? At an expression is working. I think it's because I had stuff like that. And okay, so this doesn't work and it doesn't care. So coming back to this gap, let's say we take a gap at 80. Yeah, 82 like before. So if we keep this minimal gap but have another spacing, another one, then, you know, here we have a spacing at 200. So if I got this, yeah, nice. I want to change, but it doesn't change. So if I go here, yeah, and I want the point, yeah, I have it, 244 for x, it's giving me 215 for y. So I think I just switch actually. Why is the spacing? Oh no, I switch it. Oh man, come on. I'm a little bit tired indeed. So, but this is a nice point here of doing stuff like that and checking his own work. So x is the length, clearly x, length. So x is the length, and if somebody recognized already earlier this failure, then you had a good time with me. And so that means when I have 320 here, you see I have the 245. Okay, so this is the curves with the gap always at 84. And you can see that X, the length can get minimal. That means actually this part of the curve is make no sense, because that would mean that the rings are standing and not hanging. So X is the length, and if X get minimal, then it gets standing. Okay, so here when I have X0, so I have no length, then I exclusively have the spacing, and for sure with X0 I will have 82. So this is a kind of monkey bars, yeah. And the swing is still here, but it's like gibbon ape, and you swing only is brachiation, and it's only with the length of your arms. And the more X you have, and what we don't see here on this curve is here there is a big G, also a big angle. The theta will be also really big. And well, actually, how could we do this? I mean, we could do this like that, exactly. So I will show you. I have an idea. So imagine we say, okay, here's my G, okay, and here is my G. Oh, what is happening? It took 6. Come on, it took 6. Oh no, it didn't took an account. And minus L. Okay, good, funny guy. Funny. You are so funny, MATLAB. Math not, sorry. So minus L equal. Oh, this is working now. This is working. You see? Okay, this is not working. And I select here. Oh, that's nice. So I have 320 centimeter, 245. So this is the curves of G. So this is a nice one because here I have already the calculation, and I will try to reactivate it, which is actually activate, but not working. Come on. Yeah, okay, you are maxing. So, are you happy like that? Yeah, I have it. Yeah, everybody is happy. And so I just... Oh, actually, I will keep it. And moving here, this one a little bit lower, like that. So, look, this is quite funny, because now we can change everything. We have the gap here. We show the gap, the value, but we still get it here. And what I wanted to show you before is when I'm increasing the gap. So how to make it now? Yeah, let's say I will change here on the length. And the further, the bigger the length is, you see I increase the length, the shorter will be the gap. You can see the curves also moving. Now I am by 4 meters, so I have a shorter gap. The spacing is still the same, huh? And the angle is also lower now. So now we can see this also going on the other side. And normally the curves is adapting, not at all. The curves don't move. I have the impression. That nothing changed. So we have a huge gap now because the length is negative. Ah, come on, buddy. The curves doesn't change. And here is giving L as an issue. Oh, no, it's updated. Just updated. So it doesn't update while we are doing like that over a variable. It has to. Now it's updated. Also interesting to see how stuff is moving. Yeah, but you see, honestly, we spend now an hour on this topic to figure out nothing new. I mean, we have a triangle with 3 colors, 4 with the angle. No, I'm just joking. It's nice to use, but there is so many issues. Why cannot keep the I want to keep the inches here. You know, it's not only this. Come on, do I need all these numbers behind the? Yes, I need them. Oh, yeah, and for the angle, very important to keep this after. Yeah, very important. Come on, it's just make no sense. Make just no sense. And now I just lose it, so I can put here on solve, and solve. No. Okay, so in way less time, we solve it. Okay, we didn't get the curves, and the curve is almost linear. Is not, but this could be actually more or less negligible. And yeah, well, you know, with the geometric solution, we were so much faster to solve this issue. For sure, we don't have this precision. Yeah, I agree. And so it's depending from what you want to achieve with this. The reconnection between G and 6, like a G6, and this 5 and S, like 5S from lean management. No, but come on, is not mature. Yeah, to be honest, this math north is not mature. And I will not show. I could perhaps put some calculation and have the idea to issue curves with the different g-force according to the angle, because the higher you go with the angle, the more g-force you will have at the lowest point. And but for what? I have a curves, and it will take hours to do this, and there is no sense for this. I mean, so that's all. That's it, folks. Thank you for following, and I hope you took this video with a speed multiplied by 2 on YouTube. And I wish you all good. Have fun with Math Note. If you want to be productive, it's definitively not the correct tool. Just use a table. Doesn't matter which company use this table, a table, and perhaps notes just like this to write down, and to use some geometrics to make sure that your calculation make sense, to check yourself, but unless make no sense to use Math Notes from my point of view. Just a loss of time. Bye.